Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Forex Royale app to bank account. So let's get right into it. First we will go to our Forex Royale app. So guys, once you download this app, so you will see this type of interface in this app. You just have to hit on next. And that's it. So in this app you will see this type of window over the screen, and here you can shop coins and if you want, and you can also trade over here, like you can fix this scale to sell and buy. And if you can see, there is no any of withdraw option in this whole app, so it is completely fake. As you can see guys, I didn't put any of money over here, but it is showing 10,000 balance, so it is totally fake and I cannot withdraw money from here, and there is no any chance to withdraw this fake money to your bank account. So that's it guys, how to withdraw money from Royal Forex app to bank account. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.